they have said it already. Everything is going in one time. Government is just 7 months old, but we have done a lot of amendments. As to the main part of Kumudats which were having this type of issues, one thing is clear कि आज Kumudati माचो किदें करच्या पयलीं 4 फाटी चिंतपाक लागल्या. कित्याक they have understood that nonsense will not be tolerated. So ताज्या खातीर कितें illegalities which have been coming as note, immediate action is being done. At the same time, the law commission report is under examination. The law, आमचो law commission न्ही, आमचो कुमुदत कमिशनाचो जो report आशिल्लो तो is under examination, and ताज्या मागीर we will take it to the next level of amending certain rules of the code of the Comunidad.
Any identification about this Comunidad areas and all, where number of illegalities by the own Comunidad personals have been done and all? Any study?
We keep digging into the things, but things which come to our note are definitely asked for examination and action wherever required.
Okay.
कोलवारचे ऑलरेडी ॲक्शन इनिशिएट केले, FIR लॉन्च केली अंडर सेक्शन 33 लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर सनदना म्हणून हें केलें, तांकां ऑलरेडी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्सान जे 7 स्ट्रक्चर आशिल्ले ते डेमोलिशनाक काडपाक नोटीस काडली. 7 स्ट्रक्चर आशिल्ले ते डेमोलिशनाक काडले. रस्त्या खातीर आनी हाजे खातीर पंचायतीचे खंय आशिल्ले थंय इश्यूज घेतले. सो ऑल इन ऑल वॉट एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम द थिंग, एंड ऑल्सो अ शो कॉज नोटीस टू द Comunidad body on why action should not be taken on the body also has been given under right to justice. Actually, म्हाका दिसता in this week we are reviewing, the coming week we are reviewing I have asked for a meeting on the Kolwali Comunidad review. Showcase notice काढले, तांकां dismiss कित्याक करपाचें न्ही काय म्हणून, कित्याक if they have taken some inaction or illegalities, they should be able to either under right to justice able to answer it or face the consequences as per law.